Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is April 24, 2015. My name is Nick Santiago. I want to thank you all for tuning in. So today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures catching a little bit of a bid. They're up about 4 points. We just had some economic data out just a few minutes ago, and it looks like the market is reacting a little bit favorable to the news. So you could check it out. It was durable goods orders in March. They jumped up in March a little bit, but I guess investments fell. Who really cares? We only care about the reaction in the market. That's what makes money, and that's really the bottom line. But overall, the real story is earnings. We have tons of earnings out here, and let's get into the charts. We're going to start off with Google, and I'm going to use the Google L symbol, and you're going to see the stock is trading at $577.75. I'm going to give this the upside bias right to around 584. I don't really see the stock getting above the 584 level, but it can trade up there again today. So keep that on the radar. Next stock on my list here is Starbucks. Starbucks has been a real strong name as of late, and it continues to be strong at the moment. Stock is trading at $51.60. I do not see the stock getting above $50 to $53. So again, give it the upside bias to that level, but trail your stop loss if you own it. If you don't own it, I would not be a buyer up here at this point in time. Stock is up way too much. It's way extended. It's a very, very tough trade to get on the long side at this point in time. Let's take a look at Amazon. Amazon had numbers yesterday after the close. Stock is roaring, soaring, zipping. I don't know what else to say. Just a huge move on Amazon. Stock right now is trading at $434.59. It closed at $389.99, and it really has exceeded any levels that I thought it could go to. So great move for Amazon this morning. Stock is a powerhouse. We'll see how it plays out. I'm not sure it's going to be a fade. It's a pretty strong move right now. We want to respect it. And again, the big level next is going to be 450. So there's always a chance the stock can trade up there. It's not that far away, and we'll see if it does do that. I'm not sure which way it's going to go from here. But one thing I would say, if you own it, just trail your stop loss. Other than that, leave that equity alone. Juniper Networks, JNPR, stock is trading higher. Right now it's trading around the 25.75 level. I will have gap levels for this today, so come on over to the intraday stock chat room. I'm going to have some gap levels. They'll be posted up right at 9 o'clock this morning. I'm going to have a few gap plays, in fact. Microsoft's another one. In my opinion, is another gap play right here. Stock is trading decently higher. Closed at $43.34 yesterday. Now trading at $45.41. So great move for Microsoft. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll get my gap levels. We will be playing this stock this morning. Next stock on my list here is Newmont Mining. Leading gold mining stock. Stock right now is trading at $24.19. I'm going to give it the upside bias to around $24.50. Try your stop loss on that one. Newmont's holding up well. Let's take a look at Pandora. This is the music service company. What you're going to see here is stock is trading at $17.20. Closed at $17.71. I don't see a lot to do with this one right now, but it will be on our radar once the opening bell rings. So again, we'll look at this right at 9:30 when the opening bell rings. But I'm not going to give you any levels that I'm seeing right now. If the stock rallies, it could go to $18.50. There's a huge gap window there of resistance, so that would be all of the upside. But right now, the stock's not really doing anything, so it's a little bit hard to determine what it's going to do right now. We'll just wait on that one. Let's take a look at Southwest Energy. Ticker symbol is SWN. Stock closed at $26.41. It's not doing anything in the pre-market, but it is an earnings play, so keep it on the radar today. Let's take a look at Capital One Financial. Stock is trading at around $81.10. It closed at $81.86. A level I like for this, I have two levels today. $78.58. Also $76.50. So both levels I think could give you small scalps. Come on over to the intraday stock chat room. Take a 7-day free trial and trade right along with us. Let's take a look at KLAC, KLA 10 Core. The stock right now is trading at around $59.50. Closed at $59.85, so it's not doing all that much. Support level I see here for the stock today would be $57.16. If the stock did rally, by some chance, major resistance around the 62.75 level. So keep that on the radar today. Let's move over to Synaptics, SYNA. Stock right now is trading at 86.65. It closed at 89.04. The only level that I'm really seeing for Synaptics today, and I'm just looking over here, would probably be around, if it's sold off, and you'd have to have a big sell-off, but around $80.35. That's a calculation I've already worked out. Keep that on the radar. I don't know if it gets down there, but this stock trades less than 1 million shares a day. That means the moves could be big and dramatic and sometimes overdone, and that's what I've calculated. Let's take a look at Verisign. This morning, Verisign is trading at around 64.75, closed at 67.73. Let me see what I have here on this one. I've been working out calculations all day. One level I'm looking at right off the bat is around the $63 level, so keep that on the radar. I may have gap levels for this one. I'm going to just look at it a little bit more. I might have some more gap levels for Verisign this morning. American Airlines is on the docket today. This stock reported earnings right now. It's trading at 51.39, closed at 51.45. Max upside on this is around 54.25. Max downside from what I could see today would be around 46.62. So keep that on the radar this morning. Any big moves in the airline stocks could also affect Delta and United, UAL, United Continental. So again, they could play in sympathy. Let's take a look at Cabot, COG, Cabot Oil and Gas. I will have levels for this one. Stock right now is trading at 33.25. I will have levels for this in the intraday stock chat today. So come on over. Biogen. This is a freebie here today. Tough stock, trading at $415. I have support at $404. So $404, that is support, and obviously $400 will also be a little bit more support. Let's take a look at Flir Systems, FLIR. You're going to see this is trading decently higher at $31.77, closed at $30.91. Give it the upside bias to 32.25. So trail your stop loss if you own it around 32.25. It should hit a wall of resistance. One of my favorite stocks, LYB. This is LyondellBasell. Stock right now is trading at $99.92, closed at $97.57. Max upside for this is around the 104.10, 104.25 level. There is also some minor resistance around $100.25. So keep that on the radar today. Simon Property Group is on the list today. This stock is trading at $188.21. It closed at $189.06. Tough stock to do anything with at the moment. We'll talk about this one once the opening bell rings. Again, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You could trade all of this and more right along with us. Let's take a look at STT, which is State Street. Stock right now is trading around $78.25. Basically where it closed yesterday. I see very little upside in this one. So let's keep this on the radar, but I don't think there's much we're going to do with it right now. Steve Madden, Wolf of Wall Street stock. This stock right now is trading at $40 a share. It is a little bit overbought for my liking at this point in time. So be very, very careful. There's also more resistance around $41.50. Let's take a look at Tyco, TYC, Tyco International. I didn't look at this one yet. Stock is trading at $42. The level I like for Tyco would be $40.60. So keep that on the radar today. $40.60, $40.50. That's the only level that really interests me. Other than that, it could flounder around these levels here. But $40.60, that's a level I like Tyco. Let's take a look at AZN, which is AstraZeneca. This stock is trading at $71.48. It's a pretty good decline here. I'm probably going to have some gap levels for this. So come on over to the chat room. I'll have gap levels for this one. I'm going to have to work those numbers. Let's take a look at 3D Systems. This stock is getting roasted today. Closed at $30.15. Now trading at $27.30. Did trade below the 26 level briefly before bouncing. Be careful with this name. If it breaks through these lows, this stock can go down to $22. Trading down in sympathy to this one will also be X1 and Stratasys, SSYS, I believe is a symbol there. And you can see both are under pressure due to 3D systems. Another one I'm looking at is AWAY, which is Home Away. A lot of people like this name, but right now the stock has rebounded. It closed at $32.17, now trading at $30. Look at the sell-off here. I had a great level a little bit lower, just didn't get to my level. This is one we'll talk about in the intraday stock chat if it does come back down. But it's had a great rebound, only down to the $30 level now, so it's holding up pretty well. We'll look at this one when the opening bell rings as well. Let's take a look at gold this morning. Gold futures trading down $7.40 to $1,186 a share, an ounce. Gold has been very choppy and sloppy as of late. Be careful with this one. It's just been up and down, up and down. Had an update yesterday, down today. Oil futures are down 10 cents to 57.64. We're not going to make a big deal out of that. All right, everyone. So we're going to leave it here. Tons of earnings in play. Futures are up 4 points at the moment on the S&P 500. NASDAQ futures having a pretty good day, up 31 points. But remember, it's all about the earnings. It's all about the movement. First couple of hours. Today's a Friday. Volume will get light around the noon hour, so take advantage of the first couple hours of the day. Plenty of action out here. Come on over, take a 7-day free trial. You'll see everything that we're doing. Gap plays galore, earnings plays galore. There's a lot of action to be had. With that being said, we'll see you all on the charts.